Hey, do you camp with a camper, campervan or a caravan? Maybe you should take a tarp with you on your next trip. Using these sleeves or rails that are normally found on a camper, campervan or a caravan, you can rig a tarp to it really easy. Want to find out how? Keep watching. The awning will usually connect to your caravan using this sleeve that runs along the outer edge. The awning has a thicker edge to fit in the sleeve. And this thing, the thicker edge, I googled it, it's called piping. And you can buy that piping in shops. It's not even very expensive. Now if you cut that piping into little bits, you can connect almost anything to your caravan, campervan or camper using the sleeves. A 3 by 3 meter or 10 by 10 foot tarp makes a really good awning. A place in front of your caravan that is sheltered from the rain and the sun. And if you have a large rectangular tarp, you could make a very large awning. Or you could choose to do one with a cozy corner like this. And as you can see, these sleeves are not just to be found along the front of your caravan or camper, but also on other places, which opens up a lot of new possibilities. Like this handy bike shed. Maybe you like your setup so much that you will leave your awning at home and just take your tarp. Otherwise, maybe you take the tarp as an extra option or as an addition to your normal setup. Maybe you were already taking a tarp with you for one of the other quazillion things that you can do with it. Please share this video on social media to help spread the word. Thanks for watching, Papa Hiker.